Today, I'm going to make crawfish balls. These are great make-ahead things. You have everything done, and all you have to do is fry them on the day of your party or event or whenever you're serving them. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, I'm going to start with 1 pound of cooked crawfish tails. They've been peeled, of course. 1/4 cup of celery. 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, and 1/2 cup of chopped onion. This is 4 slices of bread. You can use day-old bread. I didn't have day-old bread, so I put it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 20-25 minutes to dry it out. Just mix this well, and we're going to put part of it in the food processor. We'll do it in 2 batches. Pulse this in short spurts until you have a fine, crumbling mixture. All right, now we're going to start with the second half. Again, we're just going to pulse it in short spurts. Do not puree. All right, so we've completed the second batch, and we're going to add 1/4 cup of parsley, 1/4 cup of celery, 1/2 cup of onion, and the seasonings. 1 egg. Mix it well, and we'll start to make the balls. I did chill mine overnight. It's not necessary. You should get from 2 dozen to 2.5 dozen, depending on the size you make them. I had about 2 dozen. All right, now we'll start with flour. Dust lightly with flour. Have a dry hand and a wet hand, then into the egg, then into the panko breadcrumbs. You can use regular breadcrumbs if you choose to. Dry hand, wet hand. Continue to do this until you've breaded all of them. At this point, you can put this in an airtight container in the refrigerator for another day to fry, or you can go ahead and fry them. Looks like I got 26 out of this batch. I'm going to fry about a dozen of these, and then I'm going to freeze the others for another time. These are very good. And if you like them spicier, then you can add more cayenne to it. Crawfish Boulette, or if you prefer, crawfish balls. Crunchy on the outside and savory on the inside, stuffed with that sweet crawfish meat. Just a great appetizer for any occasion. Great for parties and get-togethers, and maybe for your next Super Bowl party. Now, I didn't fry the whole batch. I froze over half of them. Now listen to this. That's what I'm talking about. The recipe for the dipping sauce is also included in the printable recipe on my website, Darlene's Table. I have also included a direct link to the recipe in the video description. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. That way you can keep up with what's going on Darlene's Table.